day. It climbs through the trees in a playful way. B is for bunny who hops so fast and nibbles on carrots and zooms right past. C is for cow who chews so slow. It munches on grass wherever it goes. D is for dog who waits by the door. It wags its tail and barks for more. E is for elephant who takes big sips. It drinks from the river with swaying hips. F is for frog who leaps through air. It lands on a log without a care. G is for giraffe who stretches up high. It snacks on leaves that reach the sky. H is for hippo who sinks down low. It rests in the water where cool winds blow. I is for inchworm who crawls so small. It inches along a garden wall. J is for jaguar who stalks with grace. It sneaks through the jungle at a silent pace. K is for kangaroo who jumps with joy. It bounces around like a springy toy. L is for llama who likes to hum. It walks with a grin and chews on a plum. M is for monkey who hangs by its tail. It flips and swings without fail. N is for nighthawk who sleeps by day, then flies through the stars on a moonlit way. O is for otter who slides downstream. It floats on its back in a bubbly dream. P is for penguin who waddles in snow. It dances and flaps wherever they go. Q is for quail who pecks on the ground. It chirps in the grass without making a sound. R is for rooster who wakes the farm. It crows at dawn with feathered charm. S is for sloth who takes its time. It moves so slow like a sleepy rhyme. T is for tiger who hunts at night with careful paws and eyes so bright. U is for uriel who climbs with skill. It leaps over rocks and stands so still. V is for vulture who glides with grace. It soars in circles from place to place. W is for wolf who howls at the moon. It sings with its pack in a midnight tune. X is for Xerus who digs and digs. It hides its snacks beneath the twigs. Y is for yak who trudges through snow. It carries big loads wherever they go. Z is for zebra who gallops fast. It zigzags and runs in a herd that lasts.